Lexus has launched a new IS range in Australia. It's now in dealerships. We're going to drive it in mid-December, but I can tell you a couple of things about this. The one behind me is the IS 300H, the hybrid, which will probably be the best seller in the range. There'll be F-Sport versions and there'll be a cracking 180 kilowatt, 2-litre turbocharged entry-level model. This car here, as I said, the IS 300H, this car features an enhancement pack. It's about $5,500, which takes it to around about 70 grand. The new IS features a brand new body in white. There's a wider track front and rear. It's 45mm wider at the front, 50mm wider at the rear, and it's been developed on Lexus's own mini-Nurburgring, a test track that the company's developed to basically mimic what it learns on that famous German track. This car also gets lighter, stronger suspension, and generally the whole chassis has been retuned to suit perhaps a more sporty driver. Now the IS coexists in the Lexus Australia range with the ES, and between the two of them, Lexus says it gives them a combination to target the BMW 3 Series and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, both of which have dominated this segment. Lexus says this new IS features more safety tech than the flagship LS. It gets a whole new suite of safety, including intersection turning assist, which is automatic emergency braking at an intersection. So if a car is coming and you pull out in front of it, it'll stop you. There's also lane keeping assist from a steering point of view. There's an automated collision notice system. There's an SOS call, and there's also stolen vehicle tracking. So a whole lot of tech going into this. Probably one of the things that many people will be looking for is the move to touchscreen for the entertainment system. Lexus's mouse-based system has never been popular with us or consumers. This system will give it a whole new lease of life. So a quick look at the Lexus IS 300H. As I said, we're going to drive it in December, and we'll be able to tell you a lot more about it then.